I'll be honest, if your audience isn't buying, there are potentially thousands of reasons for that, but let me share 4 of the most common ones as they're related to social media. First, you're probably asking them to buy too often. Businesses that ask for a sale on every single post are probably going to have almost no sales from their social media. That would be like asking somebody to sign up for a streaming service, like instead of Netflix, it was Adflix, and it was all commercials. A good ratio is to think about having 80% of your posts be engaging, but not actually asking for a sale. Second, they may not buy because they aren't even seeing your posts. So that means you need to focus on getting your posts in front of more people first, and there's another section in this quick fix guide to help you get started with that. Third, they may not know how to buy. Now I know that sounds silly, like, well, it's easy to buy. You just go to my website or pick up my phone and book a call or whatever it might be. But your audience is busy. They are distracted. So what do they need to do to start working with you? They need to go to your website. Do they need to visit your Facebook group and request to join? Do they need to book a call with you, pick up the phone? Whatever it is, make it overly clear on your pages and profiles and in your posts when you're asking for a sale. Finally, the audience, the offer, and the timing all has to be lined up. So if you're offering something great to the wrong audience, nobody's going to buy, right? If you're offering something at the wrong time, like trying to sell Christmas trees in June, there's nothing on social media that's going to help fix that. If you want to learn more about getting your audience to buy or hire you, make sure to check out 5 Minute Social Academy, linked up with this video. I am on a mission to simplify social media for business owners worldwide, anybody who's interested. So I've priced this to be affordable for any size business, no matter how small. Click the link and check it out now.